Sucesso Resort is much more than a resort. It's a unique project conceived in detail by 23 internationally renowned architects such as Cesar Vieira and David Chipperfield. Located on the banks of Óbidos Lagoon, near the medieval town of Óbidos and at a short distance away from Lisbon, it's a place of authentic beauty, developed in an area of about 150 hectares that integrates an innovative concept, merging contemporary architecture and nature in a perfect symbiosis. Arc Hotel Villas is the resort's proposal for accommodation, offering a villa stay concept. Villas and private villas, both mastering contemporary architecture and author's design. With a wide variety of villas for sale, this is where home should be. Perfect for you, your family and your friends. In a region with excellent natural conditions for golfing, Guardian Bom Sucesso Golf Course is also an integral part of this development. It's an 18-hole championship course, par 72. And it's a superb project of the architect Donald Steele. The resort also offers a diverse range of facilities and services, such as the hotel with a spa, the clubhouse bar and restaurant, sports and leisure facilities, and a large ecological reserve. This is the ideal destination for those who appreciate a sophisticated and contemporary lifestyle. Welcome to your future destination. Bom Sucesso Resort. So much more than a resort.